has changed our vision of the microscopic world. Because seeing is believing, optical imaging has enabled significant breakthrough in medical and biological science, and it remains a driving force behind technological innovation. However, standard microscopy is limited in its ability to distinguish structures that are smaller than 1,000th the human hair. Today, super-resolution microscopy has emerged as a solution to break this barrier. Despite their advantages, they remain underutilized by the community because of their price and the complexity of the equipment. At Peregrine Photon, we want to push the boundary of microscopy by offering a system that can convert conventional microscope into a super-resolution instrument. Our technology lets us provide a compact and standalone module that can boost the microscope performance to achieve unparalleled resolution. Our product is also sustainable since it can upgrade old microscope and avoid buying a new equipment. Finally, we can offer a solution at prices that can fit academic and industrial budgets. By collaborating with Quantino, we aim to meet top expertise in optics and photonics, mainly through their close ties with INO. Being part of Quantino family is an opportunity to meet entrepreneurs, exchange ideas, and build future partnerships. Another key strength of Quantino is its personalized support. They have experts in commercialization, business development, industrialization, and even they have production capabilities. This whole ecosystem will help us bring our solution to the market and achieve our growth ambitions. Within 5 years, we aim to have started the democratization of super-resolution microscopy. Every lab deserves this cutting-edge technology, which I firmly believe will drive tomorrow's scientific discoveries. Our ambition is becoming a key player among the company in microscopy. And this is just the beginning. Our technology has the potential to help other techniques in microscopy. Beyond super-resolution, it paves the way for other imaging techniques by offering greater simplicity and performance. We will stay attuned to our users' needs to develop tailor-made solutions that can increase their microscope capabilities.